Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about how to swap the two numbers in C programming. Very simple and easy one. So we can able to see in this program. So A value is equal to 10, B value is equal to 20. So A and B are the variables here. So it takes memory location A as well as B with the memory address. So before swapping we are printing the numbers A and B. So here I'm using one more variable that is called as temp variable here. Okay. So using temp variable, we can able to swap the two numbers. We can able to see. Let's see the logic here. Very simple. Let's consider a having a variable that is 10. A having a value that is 10. So let's in the memory it looks like this. Okay. So this is 10. Consider this one as a. Okay. So I will going to consider one more memory. So that is B. Okay. I will going to consider this one as B. Again, I will going to consider one more memory that is temp memory like this. This is temp memory. Currently, we know that very clearly. So A is taking the value 10. Again, B is taking a value 20. Again, C is taking the value garbage value. Here we will going to find a garbage value here. We will going to find a garbage value. So this is what exactly we know. So what is the logic here? Very simple logic. What is the A value? A value is 10. So I am sending this A value into temp variable. This is the meaning. So what happens? This 10 will go to temp variable. So whatever the value which is available in this 10, so this value will go to the temp variable here. It will come 10. Now this area is empty now. So A is empty. It consists of some garbage value here. It is empty, consists of garbage value. But in technically 10 is available here, but still it's a it is not a permanent value. Okay, so still it is not a permanent value, so we have transferred the value 10. Again, what happens here? I wanted to swap B to A, so that's why I will want to write the logic B to A. So nothing but A is equal to B, nothing but whatever the value which is available in B, that will be moved to A. So now we can able to see. So in place of garbage value or 10 here, in place of a garbage value or 10, what we will going to get it here? You will going to find the value. So we will going to find the value here. That is, I will going to write here. So here 20 we will going to find here. This is 20. So B value transfer to here. So B now it is empty, having garbage value. Copy of 20 will be there, but still, so it is empty now. Now what I will do to replace that garbage value, I will going to send this 10 to here B. So what is that logic means? So temp will going to sending the value to B, nothing but B is equal to temp. This is the line we have to write it. So whatever the value is there in the B in temp, that will be moved to B. Okay, so finally I will going to print the A as well as B. So this is how now we got the 10 over here in swapped. So 10 in the B, again in A you can able to find 20. So this is a simple program in C. So let me run this program so that we can able to understand the final answer, how the output looks. So that is very important. Let's see, we can able to, sorry, we have to run this program properly. Just a moment. Okay, fine. Run this program properly because we are not in that swap main. So now we will want to run it. See, so A value ins before, it was before swapping 10 and 20. After swapping we are getting 20 and 10. So this is a small programming in C. Thank you very much.